Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track YouTube videos in Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. Okay. So there is a disclaimer. If if your videos are only embedded with your website, then you can only track the YouTube videos. Otherwise, you cannot directly track YouTube videos from YouTube. Okay. So first of all, you need to embed the video on your website. Then you can track uh, some events like video start, video complete, video progress for the certain percentage. Okay. So let's see, first of all, how we can embed the video with our website. Okay. So we'll be basically embedding a video with this website. So this is a WordPress CMS. So first of all, we need to go to the admin panel of our site. So for going to the admin panel, we need to provide the website URL. Then, as you know, this is a WordPress CMS. So after hitting the website URL on our browser, we're going to be writing /wp-admin. Okay. Then we'll be navigating to the pages section. Then I'll click on add new page. Then we'll go to YouTube. So I have come to my YouTube channel and I'll be copying one of the video URLs from my channel. So I'll be copying this video URL. Then I need to provide a title. So I'll write the title as YouTube video tracking, and I'll click on this plus button and I'm gonna search for YouTube. So YouTube is there. Then I'll provide the copied video URL from my YouTube channel over here. Then I'll click on embedded. Okay. Then I'll click on publish and publish again. So it will be publishing my video. Then you can see I can either copy the page URL from here, or if you want, you can view the pages. Okay. So I'll click on view page. Then you can see over here, one of my YouTube videos are embedded with this website. Now we can start tracking different events like video starts, video progress, video completes, video pause, buffering, seeking, etc. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. So I have already created a tag manager account where I have two tags actually. One for Google tag for GA4 and other one is page view tag. Okay, perfect. And additionally, I have already created a GA4 property. Okay, so first of all, you need to enable some built-in variables for seeing these parameters. So you can see over here for YouTube embedded videos that have JS API support enabled, the following events are trigger video start. So if you want to see the video start event, then you need to set up this event. So when the video will be starting, the video start event will be fired. Then video progress, when the video progresses past 10%, 25%, 50%, and 75% duration time. And the last one is video complete, when the videos will be ending. Okay. So you can see over here the parameters populate the following dimensions. So video provider from from which the video has been uploaded or provided, video title from video title, video URL from video URL, and visibility from the video visible. Okay. So you need to pass these parameters: video current time, video duration, video percent, video provider, video title, video URL, and visible. So as I told you that we need to enable some built-in variables. So we'll go to the variable section and then we'll go to the configure section. And in the video section, we have video provider, video status, video URL, video title, video duration, video current time, video percent, video visible. So I have enabled all of them. Now I need to create a trigger for this. Okay. So I'll click on trigger configuration and I'll be creating a YouTube video trigger. So you can see all the events like start, complete, pause, seeking and buffering and progress. So I'm to see all of this. Okay. So percentage, and to see 10%, 25%, then 50%, 75%, and 100%. And additionally, you need to enable this checkbox, add JavaScript API support to all YouTube videos, okay? And the triggers fire on. So I want to see the all videos. If you want to see some videos, then you can select this option, but I want to see the all videos. Okay, so I'll click on save YouTube video. Then I'll go to the tag section and I'll be creating a GA4 tag. Okay, so I'll go to the new and I'll name it as GA4 event YouTube video tracking. So you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. So I'll select tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event, and I need to provide the measurement ID, which I already created. So you'll see the green mark if your measurement ID matches with your Google tag. Okay. So you can see over here, Google tag found in this container, and the event name would be YouTube video tracking. So I need to provide some parameters as I already told you. So 5 to 6 parameters. So I'll go to the official documentation and I'm gonna copy the parameter names. So the first one would be video current time, then video duration. Okay. Then the next one would be video percent. Then video provider. Video title. Video URL. And the last one would be for this visible. Okay, so we're going to be providing the dynamic value. So video current time, then we will be using this variable, built-in variable video duration, then video percent, then video provider, then video title, then video URL, then visible. Okay, and the triggering would be YouTube video. Perfect. Now we need to do one thing. So we need to go to the admin section. Okay. Then you go to the data stream section from the data collection. I'm going to select my data stream and I'll go to the enhanced measurement section. So you can see by default video engagement is enabled. Okay. So capture video play progress and complete events as visitors view embedded videos on your site. By default, video events will be automatically fired for your YouTube videos embedded on your site with GS API support enabled. So if you don't disable this, by default, YouTube videos will be automatically fired, so I don't want this. So I want to disable this and click on save. So I would request you to disable this from the enhanced measurement section because we want to manually pass the video view events. Okay, perfect. Then we need to go to the debug view section for seeing the events and parameters real time. Okay, perfect. Now we need to hit preview and see whether everything is working or not. So I'll be copying this URL. Okay, and I'll click on continue. So YouTube video, then let's go to over here. You can see no events has been fired. So if we start watching the video, hopefully video start event will be fired. Okay, let's go to the tag assistant and you can see one of the events has fired YouTube video. So if I go to the variable section, you will see different parameters like video current time, video duration, video percent. So video provider is YouTube, video status, start, video title. You can see the video title, you can see the video URL, you can see the video visibility. So this will be showing the Boolean value. So the video has started, that's why it is showing true, otherwise it will be showing false. Okay, perfect. So hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Okay, so you can see another event has fired. So video current time 44, video duration, this one video percent, that means 10% been uh has been shown on the video. Video provider YouTube progress, video status is progress. Okay, so let's go to the analytics and see if we see some events. So YouTube video tracking, so you can see the event is firing. Okay, so if I go to there, then you can see the parameter video current time, video duration, video percent. Okay, video provider, video title, video URL. Okay, so everything is working fine. Now if you go to the tag assistant, then you can see 25% video videos has been viewed. So video current time 110, video duration 438. So yeah, that's it for this video. And after making all the changes, you can submit your changes. Okay, but don't submit any changes if you don't debug it. Okay, so first debug and test, then publish everything. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video, and if you like our video, then you can consider subscribing our channel, following our page. You have a good day.